25%. Each one of these competitors only has a 25% chance of winning this match. Those aren't great odds for any of these athletes.
Orton, what an amazing force was behind that slam.
Oh! Chainsaw Charlie. Chainsaw Charlie controlling the head. And a wicked clothesline.
He's as hardcore as it gets. He'll bust his own head open if he thinks it'll drown you.
The Viper.
Will he tap out? Will he submit to the camel clutch here? He may not stop until the referee pulls. Hey!
And he fights out of it. He breaks the hold. Orton.
Oh, what a painful kick. I have a strong feeling that
Oh, did you see that? His body twisting and turning in a sickening way.
The dead man.
Look out!
Oh, that was just perfectly executed.
You simply cannot overstate the power and tenacity of The Undertaker.
And Chainsaw Charlie makes him pay for it.
Oh, man! Undertaker, way too experienced to get caught by that.
Squeezing down on the head.
He may be intent on breaking the arm.
These are great competitors. Here, submission being applied. Oh, look at the agony of the camel clutch.
Whoa!
And he fights his way out. Chainsaw Charlie has the headlock. Great match. Careening spine first into the barricade.
Watch it!
And he powers out. An aggressive shot to the midsection. And he gets tossed back in the ring. The kick connects. Oh, a textbook takedown. Undertaker.
Oh, no, that slam didn't look pretty. Oh, big DDT, that could be it.
Impressive counter by The Undertaker.
Chainsaw Charlie eating some punishment.
He drops the elbow.
I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal. Orton's got him. Chainsaw Charlie being punished. Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up anywhere. Oh, big...
This match is going from bad to worse.
You said it. That's it. I'm getting out of here. Through the barricade, a spear! Oh my God! Completely destroyed the barricade! Leg drop! Oh, look how groggy he looks. He's in desperation here. Trying to get the blood flowing to his brain. Oh no, his hand's wrapped around the neck. What a powerful choke slam.
And this is into the cover hooks and an early kick out by Chainsaw Charlie. Chainsaw Charlie. Chainsaw Charlie has the arm. One, and Icon kicks out.
Orton, oh, big DDT. Oh gosh, look at that cut.
One,
two,
three.
Icon is out. Wow, what a shot! He's been busted wide open. That's gonna need stitches for sure.
The Viper with the arm.
Oh, elbow to the nose.
You can see the wear. His shoulders are down. Uh-oh, trying to put him away. What a move. Can he capitalize? Orton makes the cover. Chainsaw Charlie. What is going through that demented mind of Randy Orton?
Well, we never know. And quite frankly, I'm scared to find out.
The dead man controlling the waist.
I think after that, I'd be searching in my tights for a white flag I could wave. I don't know if this is such a good idea to stand toe-to-toe with The Undertaker. Look at this!
Undertaker has to be thinking old school. There's the quickness and agility. Orton.
Boy, he is really tired.
Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big. Missed him. That hand had a lot of force behind it.
Cover by The Undertaker. Hey, Orton. The Viper strikes. RKO. That should do it right there. Good God almighty, the Phenom's out. The Viper goes behind. He could hit his opponent right here. Into the headlock.
Randy Orton seems to be relishing in this.
Hooking away. Two. And Orton wins.
You want to talk about crowd-pleasing? Take a look at the highlights from this match.
You got tools in your wheelchair, all designed to keep you safe. But when you start getting broken,